store. What is this? What did you do to the shoe? Did you do this? Did you chew up the shoe? Look at this. What is that?
What is it? Huh? What is this? Is this the elbow chair? What did you do to that elbow chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty. What did you do to that elbow chair? Huh? What did you do? What did you do to that elbow chair? Naughty.
What was in here? Were those the cookies? Were those the cookies? What's on here? What's this? Oh, boy. Ben.
So what do we have here? It looks like there's a pear on the ground, missing from the fruit bowl. I wonder who did it. Was it you? No, you were outside walking with me. Was it you? The shaking one in the corner? Frightened? Because she did something wrong? Is it you, Lucy? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you eat the pear that you weren't supposed to eat?
Kto to zrobił? Kto to zrobił? Kto to zrobił?